Well, hello and welcome to Artsy Second Sunday, organised by Martha, also known as Alaya Art, and also Mona. So, thanks for joining me. The prompts for this month is Valentine's, hearts, cupids, and feathers, and I'll surprise you at the end to see what I'm going for. Anyway, so I created these patterns on um, its book page, and it was just an old book. I don't like throwing away books, so I got this book and I've just added, I've got pro marker pens on there. I've painted some, and for some of them, I've cut out shapes of cats, dogs, birds, leaves, flowers, and it's a nice way to find collage material in your journal. So I'm here using a little cat that I created, and yeah, I really like working in my art journals and applying collage. So we're just going to have some fun, and I'm going to take you through one of my processes for creating on my page, and around me you can see some of the other pieces of collage paper that I have. And so what I'm going to do now is just do some doodling on the page and on the characters, and I'm using black ink and a very fine pen, and this is quite a meditative activity, so I really enjoy this as well. So I hope you enjoy. Please do remember to visit all of the videos, all of the artists in the video hop. Leave a comment, subscribe to their channels and mine if you haven't already, but join in the fun. And yeah, I look forward. If you have created using our prompts, please do tag me and share it on Instagram. Um, and yeah, just have fun with it. So look forward to seeing you soon. And yeah, we're just going to enjoy